What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Realme GT2 and without any hesitation this one is one of the most favorite smartphones, budget smartphones. Yeah, this one costs only around $425 in China, and for this price I really cannot find any other smartphone that comes with as many features as this Realme GT2. Without wasting any time, let's start with unboxing. But before that, I had to buy this smartphone. Nobody has provided me with any review units. I wish Realme starts sending me review units. So if Realme is watching this video, then please start sending me review units. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then please don't forget to subscribe and share the love. Okay, let's start from unboxing. I live in China, so I have bought this Chinese edition. This one isn't even available in global market. I feel I'm lucky, because I don't even know how much it will cost in global market. For sure it will become a bit more expensive than what it is in Chinese market, but even if it gets as high as $525, I think this one will still offer very good value for money. After opening the box, as usual, there is an envelope, and inside this envelope there are some paperworks, a SIM ejector tool. Underneath that's our Realme GT2. I have bought the white color variant. We will talk about that a few moments later, but before that, let's check what else we have got inside the box. Okay, my first disappointment. Why Realme? I have bought a white colored variant. Why would you provide me a gray colored protective case? And it's a very cheap quality protective case. Anyway, this one is a cheap smartphone, a budget smartphone. I cannot complain about quality, but the color, yeah, this hurts. This Realme GT2 comes with a 65-watt charging brick. Yeah, this is the same as other 65-watt super dirt charging bricks. I don't see any difference. They have also included a USB-A to USB-C charging cable inside the box, but the quality of this cable isn't as good as other Realme flagships. I am really a bit disappointed. That's all. Let's unwrap our Realme GT2. Here is our Realme GT2. There are some kind of textures at the back. It's plastic. Definitely it's not leather. It's not even any vegan leather or anything, it's just plastic. But it feels smooth in hand. It doesn't feel as premium as my Vivo X70 Pro Plus. They say this one is vegan leather, this one feels a bit better. But these textures on Realme GT2 is much more protruding. You will feel it, it's not like aesthetic. Side by side with Vivo X70 Pro Plus, it's not that small, only a little bit smaller than that Vivo X70 Pro Plus, but it looks so sleek. I really like this design. And this white color variant, it's cool. Having signature or autograph of some other people on my smartphone, I don't think that's a pretty nice thing to have, but it's okay. On top, it's totally clean. There is a noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom there is this speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone and dual SIM tray. This is compact SIM tray, so you cannot expand your storage. Power button is on the right side, here it is, and volume rockers are on the left side. In hand it feels so premium, and I'm not gonna use that protective case. I wish this one isn't gonna get dirty very soon, because this is white color and I'm a bit afraid that this one will get dirty very soon. Maybe I have to use that protective case. Talking about protective case, let us check how it looks with that protective case. Here it is, this one with the protective case. Yeah, gives a different type of outlook, but not as posh or premium like without the protective case. If this Realme GT2 came with a glass pack, then I would be able to use a carbon skin like this one. But as this is plastic with some textures, I cannot use any skin at the back of this Realme GT2. Okay, we have talked a lot about the outlook, appearance and design. Let's talk about performance. This one definitely is gonna get released in many other countries. I believe they didn't add all these languages for nothing. Realme is definitely gonna release this one in global market. I have been using this Oppo Find N as my daily drive for last few weeks now, and I'm gonna transfer all my data to my Realme GT2. It's very easy because both of these are from BBK. They have got connected, and now my Oppo Find N is preparing data. There is 19 GB of data, but I don't want all the data to be transferred, like pictures, videos, documents. I don't want these to get transferred to my new Realme GT2. Other things are okay. Start migration. In-display fingerprint of Realme GT2 is good enough. It's the same as any other Realme smartphones. We actually cannot expect too much because this is a budget flagship, and this fingerprint sensor performs like any other flagship smartphones. I really like to do this. I sometimes play with this one. I love this thing about Android 12. Yeah, Realme GT2 comes with Android 12. And another thing is, like any other BBK smartphone, I mean Oppo, Oneplus, Realme, Vivo, all of these smartphones have this feature, that is RAM expansion. You can expand your RAM. Personally, I don't like this, but if you want, then you can use it up to 5 GB of RAM. I mean 5 GB of ROM will be blocked as RAM in your system. Screen refresh rate, let's select high. As expected, very smooth. A lot of people complain about like they don't like 90Hz refresh rate, they always need to have 120Hz refresh rate, but I'm different. I think 90Hz refresh rate is good enough for me, and that would help to save some battery. Okay, let's run Antutu benchmark. This smartphone is just out of the box. I didn't charge it, I didn't do any optimization. Let's see what type of performance can this Realme GT2 offer. This one comes with Snapdragon 888, so you know what type of performance you can expect. Realme has promised a better GT mode, so I'm gonna turn on GT mode. Wow, I like this. This one is Realme GT2 with Snapdragon 888. This one is Red Magic 6S Pro with Snapdragon 888 Plus, and this one is Vivo X70 Pro Plus with Snapdragon 888 Plus. You know what? I'm surprised. This Realme GT2, look at this, 817,000 on Antutu benchmark out of the box. I mean, most of the time when we run Antutu benchmark, we fully recharge the battery and then give it a rest like 10 to 15 minutes like cooling period, and then run Antutu benchmark. But out of the box, after just transferring data from my Oppo Find N, wow, this is great. Red Magic 6S Pro got 863,000 because this one comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus and with Snapdragon 888. This result, this is really great. I'm truly super hyped up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the camera, and yeah, there will be a camera comparison video. Realme GT2 versus Xiaomi 12 and Realme GT2 versus Vivo V23 Pro. Okay, as I've mentioned earlier, this Realme GT2 comes with a 65-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable capable of 65-watt charging. In marketing materials, Realme has claimed that this one can get charged within 33 minutes, but it actually takes around 39 to 40 minutes. I must mention this because after 33 to 35 minutes, this will show that 100%. But if you check carefully, then you will see that it's still charging, it's still getting charged. It will get charged for another 5 to 6 minutes, and then it will show charged, and that Superbook logo will disappear from your display. That means when this Realme GT2 shows it's 100% charged, it's actually not fully charged. Okay, now we are gonna do the most interesting part of this review. We are gonna run CPU throttling test. As Red Magic 6S Pro comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus, I have selected 2 more threads, that's 22 threads, and on the left Realme GT2 will run 20 threads. I will run this test for 10 minutes, let's see what happens. I'm really amazed by the cooling system and thermal throttling performance of Realme GT2. Red Magic 6S Pro got an active cooling fan, and this one started to throttle after 3 minutes. But Realme GT2 only throttled after 7.5 minutes. And if you check carefully, in between there is no throttling. So considering the price of this Realme GT2, this is amazing performance. Now this is the final benchmark. This is 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark. I like this benchmark because this one offers more information, and the information it provides is much more accurate than Antutu benchmark. In Slingshot Extreme Test, the differences are not that big. Definitely Red Magic 6S Pro has done better. But one more time, Realme GT2 offers the best value for money. I really didn't expect this type of performance from a $390 or $400 smartphone. And after I ran Wildlife Extreme, Realme GT2 almost beaten Red Magic 6S Pro. Average frame rate on Realme GT2 is 9.1, while Red Magic 6S Pro has managed to get 9.3. So differences are so minimum, it's like negligible. Okay, I have also tried to play some games, and in-game experience is really great. It's buttery smooth. And when I have tried to compare gaming performance of Realme GT2 with its bigger brother Realme GT2 Pro, then the differences are really negligible. Like if you aren't a hardcore gamer, then you don't need that GT2 Pro. And if you are a hardcore gamer, then you shouldn't buy that GT2 Pro because that one isn't a gaming smartphone, and that one has worse thermal throttling. You have already seen that I have Red Magic 6S Pro, and I have been using that Red Magic 6S Pro as my gaming device. So when I have started playing games on Realme GT2, I was nervous. I was like feeling, will this perform or will I be able to play games on this one? But after playing games on this one for 2 days, I'm pretty happy. And I can say without any hesitation that among all the Snapdragon 888 smartphones, this one will provide you one of the best gaming performance. After I have started using this Realme GT2, Realme has already provided some updates and fixed a few known issues. So I think these days Realme is more active about their software issues. And one more time, build quality of this Realme GT2 is way better than Realme GT series smartphones. In hand it feels premium, it looks premium, it has very good camera performance. One more time, if you are thinking that camera performance of Realme GT2 Pro is way better than Realme GT2, then I recommend you that you watch Realme GT2 camera comparison videos. Okay, at this moment I think Realme GT2 is the best budget flagship smartphone because within $400 I cannot find any other smartphones that comes with flagship class processor, flagship class sensor, and altogether offers better performance than Realme GT2. Okay, what do you think about this smartphone? What do you think about this video? Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe and stay tuned.